Are you looking for a reliable way to convert VCF contacts into CSV format? Welcome to WholeClear VCF to CSV Converter, a powerful and efficient solution designed to export your VCF contacts to CSV seamlessly. With this advanced tool, you can effortlessly convert vCard files into CSV format without any data loss. Advanced features for easy VCF to CSV conversion. Accurate vCard to CSV export. Convert VCF files to CSV without data loss. Unlimited file conversion. Process single or multiple VCF files with ease. Full scan and table preview. Review contact details before conversion. Free and reliable tool. Fast, secure, and efficient conversion solution. Simple step-by-step working process. Step 1. Launch the WholeClear VCF to CSV Converter on your PC. Step 2. Select single or multiple VCF files using the Browse option and click Next. Step 3. Choose the desired destination location to save the output CSV file. Step 4. Click on Convert Now to begin the export process. Within seconds, your VCF contacts will be successfully converted into CSV format. Additionally, the software generates a detailed log report of the entire conversion process for complete transparency. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.